Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 10. Today we're diving into our first beginner project, plotting cumulative sums. This lesson will guide you through creating a useful data visualization tool from scratch in MATLAB. Get ready to build your first real tool, a cumulative sums plot. This is a great way to see data trends. Our project involves setting up a script, calculating a cumulative sum, and then visualizing that data with a plot. Let's begin by setting up our MATLAB script environment. First, clear your workspace and command window to ensure a clean start for your calculations. We'll define our range of numbers, specifically from 1 to 100, which we'll store in a vector called x. Next up is the core calculation, finding the cumulative sum of our number sequence. MATLAB has a handy built-in function called cumsum that calculates this for us easily. We'll store the result in a new variable. Now that we have our calculated sums, let's visualize the data to see the trend. We'll use the "bar" function to create a bar plot, which is a great way to display sequential data. Always remember to label your axes and add a descriptive title to make your plot understandable. It's time for the live demo. We'll run the script and address any immediate issues. Watch as we execute the script and see the cumulative sum plot generated in real time. If you encounter errors, check your syntax, verify variable values, and use breakpoints to step through your code. You've successfully completed your first beginner project in MATLAB. Congratulations! With this tool under your belt, you've definitely leveled up your MATLAB skills. Ready for the next challenge? Our intermediate lessons will start by exploring the power of functions.